Hello everyone. So my name is Sally Payne and I'm going to be your instructor for the 82-160 course this semester. So today I just wanted to show you how to log on to our Moodle page, because you are going to need to be on that Moodle page to get our course information, to do all of our tests, and submit your questions, your short answer questions as well. And all of your notes and your lecture materials will be posted there. So just in case you haven't used Moodle before, I wanted to just take a few minutes and show you how to log on and how to get to where you need to be. So if you just go to the Brandon University webpage, just take a second to load here. There's a couple different ways you can get to it. You can type in moodle.brandonu.ca, or you can just scroll down and click the Moodle login right here in the middle of the page. And so you're going to log in with your Brandon University username and password. So that will be whatever password you were given when you enrolled at the university. So it should be the same as for your email or for anything else related to your university studies. So if you scroll right down here, you're going to see that 82 is psychology. So you'll click on that. And then if you scroll down a little bit, right at the bottom of the part ones, you'll see 82-160, Introduction to Psychology, part 1, and then in brackets will be the name Payne. So that's the one that you're going to want to enroll in, because that's for my course specifically. So if you click on that, you will come to a page once you've logged in that asks you for an enrollment key. I won't, because I'm already a member of that page, but I just wanted to kind of show you. Once you log in here with your username and password, you'll be asked for an enrollment key. Your enrollment key is Dagobah, so it's capital D-A-G-O-B-A-H. And so that will be on your syllabus as well if you need it, but you're going to type that in, you're going to click enter the enrollment key, and then you're going to see something that looks a little bit like this. Now this is the instructor view, so obviously you're not going to see everything I would see. These things are going to be hidden right now, but I wanted to keep them up here for you because you can look and you can see that the short answer question drop boxes and the multiple choice sections are all going to be right in this middle part of the page here. So whenever we have a test, it'll come up in the upcoming events tab over on the right hand side, and you'll also be able to access all of the drop boxes and the multiple choice sections right from the middle of your page here. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see a course lesson section. So if you click on that, you're going to see that so far I've just uploaded the syllabus under course information. So then any PowerPoints I make, I'll be uploading them under course PowerPoints. For the purposes of our course, I'm going to record some videos. Basically, I'm going to talk over the PowerPoints with myself in the corner of the screen, and I'm going to record those and post them to a special YouTube channel, which I'll get you the link to shortly. It'll actually be where I'm posting this video, so I guess you'll have it by now. And then you've got your extra credit activities. So if there are any bonus assignments that we're able to do this semester, they'll be there. Review materials is where I'll put the major topics for each test. And I'll also be posting the links to the YouTube channel and to the videos somewhere here as well. So this is kind of your main hub for all of your information about the course. And like I said, you can see your syllabus is there already. So that's kind of all I want to show you for today, just to kind of how to get onto the Moodle page and get enrolled. Once you're enrolled, if I post anything in this news forum over here, you can see the latest announcements, the news topic on the right-hand side. If I do post anything there, you will be able to access that through your email as well. So basically every time I post in the news forum, it'll send an email alert out to you to let you know that something new has been posted. So anytime I have to make any announcements about the course, I will post them there in that latest announcement section, and you'll also be emailed as well. So make sure you're checking your page at least a couple times a week. I mean, for the purposes of the course, you should be checking it pretty much every day, because you are going to have new information and you're going to want to be coming on, you know, at least a couple times a week to catch up with your studies. I will be available in a Moodle chat room, which will again be right here in the middle of the screen. And I'll be available there during every single class time, except for the first class, the last class, and any classes right before a midterm. Those will be online through Zoom. So with this email that I'm sending you the link to this video, I'll also be sending you a link to a Zoom call. So for the purposes of our first class on Wednesday, September 9th at 8:30 a.m., it will be a live Zoom call because I do want to go through the syllabus with you and kind of explain how the course is going to go. So I would very strongly encourage all students to attend that Zoom meeting. After that, the attendance for the Moodle chats is not as mandatory. It's basically a place to show up and ask any questions if you might have them, but the real important Zoom calls will be the days before each of our tests and then our first and our last day of classes. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email. You can reply back to the email that I'm sending you right now, or you can send me a new email at Payne, P-A-Y-N-E, just like my name here in the middle, paynes@brandonu.ca. So if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to email me at that address. I am home in Newfoundland right now. Unfortunately, there was a death in my family, so I've been a little busy trying to deal with all of that stuff, but I will try to get back to you as quickly as possible. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you all this semester. Okay, let me see how to